Donut-Making Machine. Donuts. Do they really need an introduction? They're that eternal craving that transcends age and time. With this machine, making them is almost automatic. Pour the batter, watch the machine shape and fry, and seconds later, you're looking at a perfectly golden, fluffy donut. Simple, fast, and profitable. Prices range from $40 for a basic model to $1,500 for a fully automated beast that churns out dozens in no time. And the earnings? Let's just say $100 plus per day is totally doable. Sell at birthday parties, school events, local markets, or even online. The best part? Customization. A colorful glaze, a fun filling, or a unique topping can turn a basic donut into a premium experience. And let's be honest, you're not just selling pastries here. You're selling sweet, unforgettable moments.
French fry cutter machine. Stop for a second and think about this. A simple potato, the kind you grab at any market, can instantly turn into dozens of golden, crispy sticks that make mouths water just by looking at them. That's exactly what this machine does. Turn something ordinary into a business with guaranteed demand. It's almost magical in its simplicity. Place the potato, pull the lever, and in seconds, you've got perfectly even cuts ready for the fryer. Some models even come with interchangeable blades for spiral cuts, lattice-style fries, or that rustic look gourmet restaurants love. Can you already picture the smell? Now, here's where it gets interesting. 1 kilo of potatoes costs less than $1. But once fried and sold in portions, that same kilo can bring in $8 to $10. Add delivery, drink combos, or event catering, and you're looking at $80 to $120 in daily profits, all from a business you can run from home or with a street cart. The entry cost is super accessible. Manual cutters from $40 and automatic models from $400. Ooh, that's a small investment opening the door to a market that never goes out of style. Because where there are fries, there are always customers and always money.
Burger Making Machine. Burgers need no intro. They're the ultimate classic. And with the right machine, turning them into the backbone of a profitable business is easier than you think. Two main types. Manual press, budget-friendly, simple, and perfect to start. Just press the patty and done. Automatic model, continuous production, adjustable size and weight, built for big events and businesses. Prices range from $30 to $1,000. And the ROI? Lightning fast. Selling each burger at $4, just 20 units a day nets $80 to $120. That's solid daily income from a product that never goes out of style. Waffle and Waffle-Cup Machine. Looking for a business that wins over both taste buds and Instagram feeds? This one is a showstopper. With this machine, you can whip up traditional waffles or the real star, waffle cups. These edible bowls are the perfect blank canvas. The process is simple. Pour the batter, close the mold, and a few minutes later, you've got a hollow waffle cup ready to fill. And here's where the magic happens. Fruit, ice cream, whipped cream, chocolate, even savory fillings. The possibilities are endless. Each creation isn't just a treat, it's a marketing magnet. Perfect for social media, where visuals are just as powerful as flavor. Machines start at around $30, and the profit margins are insane. Sell each creation for up to $5, and producing 30 to 50 a day can land you $1,500 plus a month. Low investment, high reward. Food trucks, delivery, or local fairs, this is a product that practically goes viral by itself. Empanada-Making Machine. Empanadas aren't just food. They're comfort, family, and tradition wrapped in golden dough. Breakfast, lunch, quick snacks, family gatherings, you name it, they're always welcome. Now imagine scaling production with the right machine. You've got two options. Manual mold, place the dough, add filling, press,
and voila, ready to fry or bake. Automatic machine. Seals and produces empanadas continuously, perfect for scaling up. Costs range from $30 to $800, making this an opportunity for entrepreneurs with all kinds of budgets. Profits? Easily $80 to $120 per day. The secret sauce? Variety. Meat, chicken, cheese, veggie, even sweet versions. Sell by piece, by dozen, or by pre-orders, and you'll never run out of customers. Because let's face it, demand for empanadas never dies.
Popsicle making machine. Picture this: a mold, a colorful mix, and just a few minutes in the cold. That's all it takes to start a popsicle business. Perfect for warm climates, family events, local fairs, or custom orders. It's a product that's eye-catching, refreshing, and super profitable. The beauty here is flexibility. You can use natural juices, milk, yogurt, coffee, or even gourmet twists like chocolate-filled, layered flavors, or exotic fruit combos. The machine freezes everything into molds, and soon enough, you've got popsicles ready to surprise. There are options for every budget. Silicone molds from $20, basic cold chamber models from $75, and semi-industrial machines over $400 that can pump out dozens of pops per hour. And the margins? Yeah, they're massive. Each popsicle costs about 30 cents to make and sells for $1.50 to $2. Imagine producing 100 a day. That's $150 in daily revenue, powered by nothing but creativity and consistency. Plus, you don't even need a store. A freezer at home and a strong flavor lineup is enough to start. This is the kind of business that shines on social media because of its colors and variety. Churro-Making Machine. Who on earth could resist the magic of a freshly fried churro? Crispy on the outside, soft and fluffy on the inside? That combo is unbeatable. With this handy machine, you don't need to be a pastry chef to create churros that look and taste like they came straight from a high-end food fair. Just prep the dough, let the extrusion system do its thing, and within minutes, yeah, you've got golden uniform churros ready to sell. Now, here's the sweet part. The starting cost is around $140, and it pays for itself super fast. Imagine this, selling each portion at just $1 and making $80 or more per day. Woof, that's real cash flow. And it's all about location. A park full of families, right outside a school, a weekend fair, or even from home through custom orders. Add a little creativity, think chocolate drizzle, cinnamon sugar, surprise fillings, and boom, your line of customers grows by itself. Pizza oven. Pizza doesn't need an introduction. It's the universal food that always sells. And with a compact oven, you can turn your kitchen into a profitable pizzeria with ease. These electric ovens, priced between $85 and $700, hit the perfect temperature to bake crusts that are crispy on the outside and soft on the inside in just 5 to 7 minutes. They're compact, user-friendly, and ideal for home delivery or small events. The numbers speak for themselves. Making a pizza costs around $2, but you can sell it for $6 to $10. Producing 10 to 15 pizzas per hour, that's $120 to $200 in daily income, depending on demand. The creative potential is endless. Themed pizzas, vegetarian options, gourmet toppings, stuffed crusts, exotic ingredients. You're not just selling food, you're selling experiences. And a pizza oven isn't just an expense, it's an open door to fast, sustainable income. Slush or frozen drink machine. When summer hits, few things grab attention like a big, colorful slush. This machine, also known as a slushy maker, turns heat into quick profits. The process is fascinating.
It chills flavored liquid while constantly stirring, creating that icy, granular texture everyone loves. Offer classics like lemon, strawberry, or mango, or innovate with passion fruit, coffee, even energy drink versions for teens and adults. Here's the kicker. Each cup costs only 30 cents to make, but sells for $1.50 to $2.50. Selling 40 to 60 cups daily means $120 to $150 in daily revenue. Machines range from $280 to $1,200 depending on size, but the payback is fast and reliable. Versatility is its strength. Fairs, sports events, outside schools, even home delivery. A slushie isn't just a drink, it's instant relief from the heat, and that means constant sales.
Cotton candy machine. There's something magical about watching sugar spin into a fluffy, colorful cloud. It's not just candy, it's a show. In under a minute, you've got cotton candy that kids beg for and parents can't resist. The process is simple. Pour in sugar, heat and spin, collect with a stick, and boom! You've got a sweet that sells itself. Machines go for $150 to $300, but the margins? Out of this world. With just pennies of sugar, you can sell each cotton candy for $2 to $3. That's $80 to $150 in a single day at a fair or school event. And here's the kicker: creativity. Add bold colors, fun shapes, even flavors, and suddenly people aren't just buying cotton candy, they're snapping photos and sharing them online. A small business that can go viral with the right twist.